under the Employment Act 2006. Not every employment contract is going to be formal under parastatal or UNRA or URA. So everyone is working for a wage. So every employee is entitled to a wage. We also look at the exceptional circumstances of the death of an employee. Whatever happens to the amount of wage or the amount of money or salary that the institution owed you before you died, or the private organization you're working for. This is very simple. According to section 42, it states that the moment you as an employee you die, or an employee dies in general, then all the wages or all the salary that was owed to you by the company, or if you died before your time of salary was being paid, then your legal representatives or your heir are the ones who are going to benefit from your remuneration or your wage. So this basically means that your salary will not be eaten by the company. So guys, don't worry about it. These companies are very formal. In accordance with the rights and duties of an employee, we'll look at section 51. Let's look at the working hours of an employee. An employee, in accordance with section 51 of the Employment Act 2006, should not work for more than 48 hours, and more so should not work for more than 6 days a week. Most government bodies or most working places all over Kampala or in Uganda give people a working days of 5 days. Let's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Some of them extend into Saturday, but you should not exceed 6 days. This is because even the Employment Act, the framers of this act believed that people should be able to rest. People should be able to go and relax and do other things. So 7 days a week would not give someone any time to rest. That is why even the good Lord gave us Sunday to rest. So before I wrap up this video, I would like to also state that we have what's called sick leave or sick pay, and also maternity leave or maternity pay. We look at, in the Employment Act of Uganda 2006, we have what is called sick pay. So like we all know, we are all human beings, and in many situations we all get sick. You could get severe flu. In today's world, you can get COVID, you can get cancer, you can get anything. So the Employment Act of Uganda 2006 provides for sick pay and for how an employee should be paid when they are sick. It states that the moment someone has finished 1 month, or the moment someone is within a month of being sick, when they are still being employed or under a contract of service, then they are still entitled to full pay or full payment of their salary or wages. However, under subsection 2, still of section 55, it states that the moment someone or an employee has been paid for that 1 month, full payment and full wage, then they cross into the second month of being sick. The moment the second month is done and there is still no formal communication, or the employer is seeing that the person who they employed is not going to make it back to work after the second month, then the employer has a right to terminate their contract, because then that means that the person is not doing what they had contracted with the employer to do. I'll see you next time. Bye.